And in this clip, we're going to talk about how to engrave a plaque. We're first going to start out with our basic layout, which we create on paper. And then we're going to put it on this machine, which is an engraving machine. And we're going to just lay this piece of artwork and wrap it around this gum right like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. We don't have any wrinkles. And we're going to take the appropriate piece of metal and we're going to attach that to this side of the machine. And what we're going to do is we're going to reproduce what's on that side of the machine over on this side of the machine. Tighten this up so it's nice and tight. And this machine is designed to engrave wherever it sees a black on the artwork and not engrave when it sees the white. So we just turn the machine on, and as it rotates, it also scans across. And it's going to, every time it passes where the black area is, the cutter head engraves into the metal. And that gives us the finished product, which you see is exactly the same as the artwork that's on the machine.